Look, I get it, you're busy, proposals take forever, and ChatGPT seems like a quick fix. Just drop in a prompt and boom, instant proposal, right? Well, not exactly. And if you're relying on ChatGPT to write government contract proposals, you're probably making your life harder, not easier. The whole point is to be more efficient with AI. We're not getting there. So today I'm going to break down why ChatGPT isn't the best tool for writing government contract proposals and what you should be using instead to actually get your proposals done faster, more efficiently, and better results curated to your business. So first of all, the ChatGPT problem. Alright, let's talk about the issue using ChatGPT for government proposals. First, ChatGPT is not really built for government contracting. It's a general purpose AI. That means it doesn't really understand FAR regulations, solicitation structures, or the nuance of proposal writing like a dedicated tool would. And here's where it really becomes a pain. If you're working on an RFP, you have to copy paste chunk of text into ChatGPT. You have to format everything manually, constantly remind it of the context. Hey chat, this is for a government proposal. This is a federal government proposal. Hey, change the tone, chat. And oh, if the file is too big, you're stuck summarizing or breaking it into similar pieces on its own, more copy pasting, which add more work instead of saving time. So here's an IT contract, which is a solicitation for the construction of the advanced, etc. So we're going to start with contract title, and then we're going back, we're getting the department and the information, so main info. Then we're going to go back to sam.gov. We're going to get the classifications. We're going to go back to ChatGPT, classifications, and then we're going to download the description, paste that, get every attachment, download it, upload it. If we're still on the free plan, summarize it. By the time you're going back and forth trying to get a usable response, you could have just written half the proposal yourself and you defeated the whole point of using AI. Now maybe you're thinking, well, I'll just use the file upload feature in GPT-4. Yeah, that is an option, but it's still clunky. You upload a document, but then ChatGPT doesn't always structure its response in the way government proposal requires or the formatting. Sometimes it misses key compliance details, and you're left tweaking the output manually, and even tweaking it takes a while. And if you're working with multiple attachments at the same time, like a statement of work, past performance documents, or pricing sheets, good luck managing all of that in a single chat. So you have the attachments of the opportunity, but you also have your personal attachments or your business attachments that are past performances, resume, white papers, etc., etc. So the bottom line here is you're spending more time fixing ChatGPT's mistake than actually making progress on your own for the proposal. And please go ahead, try it on your own. I have videos on how to mostly utilize ChatGPT for writing proposals. It's still not the best way possible. So I'm not just here to complain. What should you be using instead? So if ChatGPT isn't the answer, what should you be using? The reality is generic AI tools they were not designed for GovCon because they just scrub the web as a whole. Sometimes you get information from the Canadian government contracts when you just want for something that is for your state. But there are platforms built specifically for this process. And I'll show you one of the tools today. So here's the tool that I will show you today, which is called SamSearch. And you can just use their AI-powered search to look for a profile, to look for contracts, or you can just find them on sam.gov and get the notice ID and look for it here. But the search with AI is also a lot more intuitive. So now that we found, we're just going to click on a random proposal, on a random contract, and we'll see the smart summary generated by AI, but we also see all the main information right away here. We see the description and these long attachments that you upload and ask ChatGPT to summarize. You don't have to do any of that anymore. You can just hit the summarize button and it will generate a quick summary of what this attachment is. But now that we actually want to write a proposal for this contract, all we have to do is click on generate proposal. And with these attachments, we can select or unselect these attachments, depends on what we want to use in the proposal. So let's say we're going to uncheck one of these PDFs or sheets, And then we can also uncheck our white paper, because I know this white paper that I set up earlier in my company profile isn't the most relevant for this contract, so I'm just going to uncheck it so it's not used. Once I think everything is done, I'm actually going to reach this one. I can just generate the outline. And generating the outline is where AI, or where ChatGPT be summarizing all the compliance metrics, all the instructions in one place, and providing an outline based off these instructions. So now that we have the outline generated, we can double check, make sure the writing prompts or the writing plans is as we want. We have the titles with how many pages we want it to be written, so everything is more specified, and instead of you having to go make this shorter, make this longer, you can still edit that feature. You can still edit every section and increase or decrease the pages of that section. Let's say this outline is as you like it, you can just go ahead and generate the proposal. So instead of manually pasting text and fighting ChatGPT's formatting, this is the AI tool that you imagined that's actually built for government contracts, and it's built for GovCon proposals. One that automatically pull key requirements from an RFP, pull the relevant information from your business, and structure your proposal sections correctly, because we checked that with the outline, and even reference your past performance data, all without using Control-C, Control-V, which is the copy-paste shortcut. So all of that time is being saved by just using a smarter tool that is curated for government contracts, and you're still using AI and saving yourself the time. All right, we see that the proposal is done writing, and this is the full proposal. We also got an email that said the proposal is done writing. We can also edit the proposal on the text editor as well, so we don't have to go to another platform. It's like a one-stop shop. And we can also use the AI chat feature on the side to help us writing the proposal. So we can either ask it to summarize, rewrite, make a table, or you can also highlight a specific section and ask it about that specific section. So we see here that there's a section for the project timeline overview. So we're just going to ask it to make a table of the project timeline dates. And now we see that it's writing and making the table that we asked it to make based off the information here. So we can also copy and paste that if we wanted to. We can explore more and more and more options. It's essentially just a chat feature talking specifically to the entire proposal, not just the one chunk at a time. But if you want the one chunk at a time, you can highlight any specific part and rewrite it and chat with it. Once we're done with the proposal, we can go ahead and download it as a Word document. So this isn't just about using AI, it's about using the right AI. If you're serious about winning government contracts, you need a tool that's designed to work with government solicitations, not against them. You want something that is fine-tuned for government contracts, not for the entire web. So should you stop using ChatGPT entirely after everything I said? Not necessarily. But if you need a quick paragraph rewritten or some brainstorming ideas, it's fine. But when it comes to full-blown government proposals, it's inefficient. It's frustrating, and honestly, it could be costing you contracts. If you want to write proposals faster with some more accuracy and less hassle, you need an AI tool that's actually understanding government contracts. And that's why SamSearch was built. To take the pain out of finding, managing, and writing government contracts in one place. So you can go on the website samsearch.co, sign up, book a demo, get the 7-day free trial, try on your own without paying, without committing, and see the results it'll give. So stop struggling with ChatGPT, stop getting frustrated with ChatGPT, and start writing proposals the right way. Hit the link below, and let's get you winning more contracts without the headache. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and if you like more ChatGPT or AI content, please let me know in the comment suggestions of what you would like to see. But most importantly, leave a like and please subscribe again, and happy bidding.